Hi, Purple Spellers. This week for spelling, we are talking about the vowel sounds ow, as in south, and ah, as in ha'ak. So let's talk about this side first. South, aloud, like read aloud. Here's the vowel sound. Aloud. Allow. Will you allow me to go outside today? Howl, as in you can hear the wolf howl at night. Amount. Ow, ow. Amount. What is the amount I owe you? Proud. I am so proud of each and every one of you. And tower. Ow, hour. Tower. The tower is super tall. What do you notice about the spelling patterns with the vowel sound ow? They're all spelled with OU or OW. So now let's talk about the vowel sound ah, as in hawk. Here is a picture of a hawk. That's what a hawk looks like. It's a type of bird. Another word that has the ah sound is false. Pause. Now, when I'm thinking about the word pause, this is also the word pause. But what's this type of pause? Yeah, it's the paws that are on a dog. This type of pause is when you pause, if you were to pause my video. That's that type of pause. Faucet is another one. This is what a faucet looks like. Right here, a kitchen faucet. Now, how do we know if that is a soft C or a hard C? A hard C makes a K, and a soft C makes a S. So how do we know if we should say a hard C or a soft C? We talked about how if there's an E, I, or Y after a C, then it makes it a soft C sound. So it sounds like it should be an S, but it's really a C. Faucet. Another one is bald. No hair on top means you're bald. Claw. A bald eagle has a claw. So these are your two headers that you will be sorting your spelling words by. I want you to practice saying each of these words out loud, and then I want you to write each word in your writing notebook 3 times and practice your handwriting and your spelling. And then there is different word work activities on our spelling and phonics page on our website. There will also be word work activities that you can do on the choice board. One more thing, I realized I forgot to talk about the spelling patterns of the ah sound. So if you notice in hawk, it's spelled A-W. False is spelled with just an A. But if you look, what consonant comes after that A? The L. So A followed by consonant L makes that ah sound in false. If you look here, what spelling pattern do you notice? In pause, A-U. Same thing with faucet, A-U. A followed by a L, a consonant L, makes that sound aw. And claw, AW, just like in hawk, there's an AW.